How to buy crypto on Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Binance. Well, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Binance application, or you can do so on your web browser, and you want to make sure that you have logged into your account and verified it. So once you're logged in there to the account, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Now make sure to complete your account with KYC verification and all other verification. In my case, since I'm doing this just for the video, I won't be doing it. But here, once you do so, here you'll be able to see lots of options, right? What you can do is you can either search it from the search bar for the particular crypto, or you can see it from the hot ones here, the BNB, BTC and all. You can simply still tap on it, and once you tap on particular crypto, once you open it up on the details page, at the bottom you'll find the buy option. You want to simply tap on buy there, and once you tap on buy, it'll ask you to select the amount that you wish to buy, and you can simply select the amount. Suppose you want to buy 50, and then you can go ahead and simply tap on buy again, and it'll ask you to add in your payment methods or add funds to your wallet, and once you do so, you can go ahead and make the payment and buy crypto. So this way you can buy crypto on Binance. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.